Hi. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of managing tasks in Lexzur. The task module can be accessed directly from the main menu as a separate module. Creating a new task. To create a task, click on Create and select Task. Choose the task type. Each type may have different templates with customized fields. Enter a title and assign the task to a specific user. Set a due date and add a reminder if needed. Once created, the assigned user will receive a notification to begin working on the task. Managing tasks in the grid view. To access your tasks, click on Tasks in the main menu. Tasks will appear under their corresponding pages, whether assigned to you or requested by you. Use advanced filters to find tasks based on specific criteria. Click on the task ID or title to view its details. To reflect the progress of the task, you can click on the workflow status and update it. Upload and organize task-related files in the attachment section. Track progress by adding checklist items and marking them as completed. Collaborate seamlessly by discussing tasks with team members in the comments section. Enable approval workflows, allowing designated approvers to review and approve tasks. Tracking tasks with the Kanban board. Lexzur offers a customizable Kanban board, allowing managers to monitor task progress and completion efficiently. Generating reports. You can also generate task reports from any task grid, where you can customize task lists by adding or removing columns. Apply advanced search filters. Export task views to Excel for reporting. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.